Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to get a natural part with your sew-ins. This method will allow you to flip your hair to both sides. You can also pull it up in a half up, half down, or pull it all up. And in this way you don't have to worry about dealing with a closure that you have to keep laying down, nor do you have a leave out at the top. Other than in the front, your part won't have a leave out, so you don't have to worry about your hair separating from the weave hair. So if you would like to learn this method, just keep watching. So here's the braid pattern that I use, and these two braids that I left here, you put all the tracks on and then you sew these at the end so you can take them loose to redo them again once the part grows open, if you leave it sewing in for like 2 months. As you see, the tracks are showing right now, and what I'm going to do is crochet, pulling the hair from the bottom to the top to cover the top track. Typically my sewings last about 3 months, but other people's may last about 1-2 months. But this part is not going to last that long because your hair is going to grow open. So that's why I showed you those 2 braids that you can re-braid later. You just take off the top 2 tracks and redo the braids and put the tracks back on to make it look new again, and you don't have to change the whole sew-in. But what I'm doing here, I'm just taking a crochet hair, or actually the crochet needle, and pulling the hair from the bottom row to the top row. So what this does, it just covers the track that's left at the top. With this technique, for me, and some of you like to wear closures, but with my hair, and I'm sure other people, when you leave a leave out in your part, like it may be okay around the edges. And that's the thing, I have a very little hair out around my perimeter in the front, but the part hair that when I usually wear a sew-in, and then there's humidity outside, my real hair separates from the hair and I have to keep wetting it down. So to avoid all of that, I had decided to do it this way, and then you don't have to worry about any hair, especially if you have a tighter curl that doesn't match your weave anyway. You can do this technique and don't have to worry about your curl blending. So as you see, I did both sides at this point. I just took the hair and pulled it from the bottom to the top. And now I'm going to wet the hair down to make everything blend. So this video is pretty easy. I'm just showing you how to close up your sew-in. I have other videos if you want to see how to do a fuller sew-in. But if you would like me to show something else that's popular out, message me or leave it in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.